Hello children, I am Pratibha Sonawne. I am a teacher at Gokhale Education Society's HL High School and Junior College English Medium. Children, we have exempted symmetry 7th lesson as per the government order. Let us start the next lesson, divisibility. Write the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. Read the numbers given below. Which of these numbers are divisible by 2, by 5 or by 10? Write them in the empty boxes. Children, here the numbers are 125, 364 and so on. Let us see which numbers will come in which box. 2, 5 and 10. Children, first we'll see the rules for it. Already we have learned in 5th standard. So just see the rules. Every number is divisible by 1. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is even or 0. For example, that is 32. See, 2 is an even number, 78, 8 is a even number and 60. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 3. For example, like 78 number is there, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Means 15 is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 5 when its last number is 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 6 if it is even and the sum of digits is divisible by 3. For example, 78, 60 and 438. See, these numbers are even numbers and when we'll add it will divisible by 3. Let us see divisibility test of 10. It's very easy. When 0 is there in the unit place of any number, that number will divisible by 10. Let's see the answer, children. Children, divisible by 2, divisible 5, divisible by 10. So which numbers are divisible by the given number is given here. Just check the answer, children, and write it down in your notebook. Children, after this we are having some tables in our textbook. Here we have to give the tick mark for the right options. So divisibility test for 3, 4 and 9. So these tables we have to complete. First we'll see the divisibility test for 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Let us see the given number. So in this given number, first we'll add the first number is given. We'll add the digits. 63 is the number. We'll add the digit 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 can be divided by 3. Yes, then 9 can be divisible by 3. Let us add all the digits of the given number. 872, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 17. Children, here what we'll do, we'll add all the given digits and we will find out the addition of the numbers. When we'll add the digits, we'll get the answer. If the answer number can be divisible by 3, means the whole number can be divisible by 3. Children, let us see the other additions. See, the next number is 91. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 552 is equal to 12. Then the addition is 21. Then the addition is 18. Let us see. We'll write here in the table. See, we have written the addition numbers. So, here we have given the tick mark to the right option. Is the sum of the divisible by 3 or the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, let us see the numbers are divisible by 4 or not. So first what we'll do, we will take the last 2 digits of the numbers. The number formed by the digits in the tens and unit place. Okay. If the last 2 numbers are completely divisible by 4, it means the number is divisible by 4. Just see the answers. See the next table. Here we have to find out the numbers divisible by 9.
Let us see the sum of the digits in the number. See the first number. We'll add all the digits and the number should divide by 9.
Children, let us start practice set number 22.
See the first question. There are some flowering trees in a garden. Each tree bears many flowers with the same number printed on it. 3 children took a basket, each to pick flowers. Each basket has one number, 3, 4 or 9 on it. Each child picks those flowers which have numbers divisible by the number on his or her basket. He or she takes only one flower from each tree. Can you tell which numbers the flowers in each basket will have? See the question figure. Here the flowers have been given some of the numbers and 3 children are standing nearby it. The first child is having the basket of 3. Let us see the answer. Children, 3 of these children were having 3 baskets. One is having 3, other one 4, and the third child is having 9 number basket. Children, we have learned the rules already. Now just write down the answers. Children, number 3, by using divisibility test, we have written the numbers over here. You also try to do yourself and just check the answers.
Children, here we finish our lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Children, till then, stay home, stay safe. Keep watching the videos. Bye-bye.